Today we are checking out a 2013 Mercedes AMG G63 G-Wagon. It has a 5.5 liter twin turbo V8 that pushes out 544 horsepower and 560 foot-pounds of torque. It has a 7-speed G-TRONIC PLUS automatic transmission. Exterior, a two-tone black. It's just a regular AMG, nothing really too crazy about it. My name is Alex. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. If you love Mercedes, love G-Wagons, this is the first video for you. I'm sorry about the accent noise. We are back at making some car reviews. Thank you, RP Garage, for letting me review your cars. We reviewed a G-Wagon in the past, but I think we've reviewed one or two, maybe. I think one or two. So this will be our next G-Wagon. We got the two G-Wagons next together. If you haven't seen any of my videos, which you all should, go check out my past videos. We got some great cars. We do our exterior, interior, then we rate the comfortness, and then rate our favorite thing about the car, and then I will show you the engine at the end of the video. It's nothing really too crazy, really. There's nothing like tuned or anything, but stay tuned till the end. So here is the car. We got quasi carbon fiber around the Mercedes badge, which is nice. Like I said, it is a two-tone like color. We got the gray with the black, which is nice. We got the Mercedes-Benz badge right here. We got the lights. We got that. I have no clue what that does or what it is, but it's that. We got the radiator over there. Set the lights. This one's a bit bigger, slightly. I don't know. It comments below. Is it the same or is it a bit bigger? I feel like it looks bigger. Yeah, it is definitely bigger. Barely. Bunch of quasi carbon fiber trim pieces all throughout the car. So here's the front, the quasi carbon fiber. Y'all can see that well. Got the wipers. We got more quasi carbon fiber around that. We got like the side air, I guess the shoulder maybe. Quasi carbon fiber. We got the wheels. These wheels are actually pretty clean. 22 AMG wheels that features a two-tone scheme with the satin wrap and the gray. The AMG brake calipers. I really like this. I kind of like the red. I don't know what that entails, but we'll see later in the video. We got quasi carbon fiber around the side mirrors, quasi carbon fiber around the door handles, all around the sides, and we got a step quasi carbon fiber all around there. This is actually a fun fact. This is how you open the door. You push that. People that don't know. Here's your wheels. Here's the back. You got quasi carbon fiber rear vents right here, which is nice. You got your blacked out mirrors, very tinted. We got AMG logo, quasi carbon fiber on the back door handle, quad tip AMG twin tip exhausts, which I think they need a little bit cleaning, but other than that, they look nice. Back wiper and your backup camera right there. Boom, more quasi carbon fiber. You got your gas and everything, so pretty nice. Alright, I'm gonna show you a whole look around of the car. Now we're gonna go on to the inside. All right, we are inside. We got heated, or black heated and leather, heated, ventilated seats right here, with gray stitching around it. Here's the steering wheel. So you got the horn, we got the arrow key, arrows, the return, we got the voice activation, we got the decline, the volume, the mute, the what's it called? To answer. You got maybe your cruise control. Yeah, cruise control. You got something right here, maybe activation something, I don't know. You got like this leather right here, which is pretty nice. You got cup holders, which I kind of think is cool. You got your settings that control the mirrors, side mirrors, roll front windows, back windows. Can't roll a window. You got your seat belts right here. This is how you open the door. You got your memory settings for your seats, your lights, maybe your blinders, something like that. I don't know. You got your brake and accelerator. You got black stitching around. Yeah, black stitching around. You got your gauge clusters right here. You got your engine, your fuel, how fast you're going, your RPM, and how hot the engine is. Then you got, I guess, a heads-up display right here. And then you have your, I guess your heads-up display right here. Actually, my bad. Yeah, you got your heads-up display here. Well, heads-up display here, and then I guess a monitor, not monitor, but like a device right here. For some reason, it's just not clicking in my mind. But it has an infotainment system, Harman Kardon system, Bluetooth, all that stuff, FM, AM radio. That's how you start. It's a key. But you have your settings for off-roading, something, I don't know. Selectable driver modes, but that would be down here. I don't remember what it's called, and that it's bad. Sorry. You got your AC right here, navigation, radio, telephone, system, mute, hang up, decline, radio, like I said. I know this is for your, like, suspension, something like that. I know that. And then, I guess you can call on here. And then you have your heated and ventilated seats right here, or cooling seats, traction control off, your emergency brake lights, volume, skip, and previous, you know what I mean. And then you got your eco, you got your parking assist, and then cooling, and then heating. And then right here is your AC controls. You got your max cool AC, AC rear off, decreases the AC and increases it, and that goes to your legs, to you, and the front. Then right here is your shifter. It has low range, and that also goes to your front. Sport, manual, cup holders. Then you also have what's called
12 seconds later.
paddle shifters right here. I have no clue what these do because I don't own a G-Wagon. So I'm gonna guess these aren't your memory. I wouldn't know. And then you got your emergency parking brake right here with white stitching. And then you got like a little the Mercedes, the Maybach, is that Mercedes? It's either Maybach AMG logo right there, and then you got your clear back. I'm gonna guess this all registers up there. I can't sadly turn this car on to show you. It's just some liability thing. It's okay. You have your handles right here. You got your back mirror. You got your lights up here. Your garage closer and opener, and then you have that calls the mechanic, calls something, and I guess emergency lights, sunroof, something. Let's see. I can't see that up there. Off. Okay. And then you got a handle right here in case you're gonna die. If your friend is flooring it like 100 on the highway, understandable. And then you got your glove compartment right here. Wow. Memory settings right there. Unlock, lock, window on there, on the like front, which I think is pretty neat. And same thing with this. I have no clue what that does. Leave in the comments below, what is this? I'm actually really curious. I need y'all help so I can learn in the future. And then white stitching around the center console right here. Basically put whatever you want. We are gonna sit in the back since it has back seats. Right, the comfort. Oh, that's cool. It has Mercedes badge on the wipers. I didn't even know that till now. I legit didn't see it. I feel like that's the most unnecessary feature, but cool. Favorite thing about this car, the exterior is probably the carbon fiber, the quasi. I like the dual tone, all the features around the car. I like on the inside, probably the cup holders. I don't know. It's just weird. Like, cause you have the one right down there and one right here, and then you got your Harman Kardon sound system. What else would I like? I don't know. I just like the cup holders. It's just weird. I've never owned a G-Wagon, so, and I don't really sit in them. I don't know. I think G-Wagon is like the most overrated car. Well, let me rate the comfortness. Comfortness, solid like 7, 8 actually. I'm like pretty comfortable. Yeah. All right, let's get to the back. And also, it has AMG floor mats, and has the AMG lighting right there. Sorry for the Axis noise. More AMG lighting with floor mats. We are in the back. So it is tinted windows, which I can see. You got your window right here. You got heating, which is cool. You got something right here, maybe. I don't know. You got speakers right here. Hold on, you can't even see. Hold on. You got lighting on your shoes, like on the bottom, which I think is cool. All right. So you got your speakers right there. Then your heating, windows, something right there. I don't know what that is. Does it like go up? Floor mats, like I said. You got your cup holders. You have your AC controls, your 12-volt battery. You got your seat belts right there. I will show you the back too, so don't worry about that. You got white stitching all around this on the headrest. You got your holder just in case your friend's flooring it down 100. Lights. It's hot in this garage. I don't know, it's pretty spacious. I'd probably give it an 8. Hope the AC's good if I were to turn this on. Yeah. I'd probably give it like another 8 out of 10. This car is gonna be a good solid 8. I don't know what a bad car is. I mean, we did review a van a long time ago. Insert that. That was miserable. If you want to check that video below, it was a very interesting van. So, but now we're gonna show you the storage, or I guess the back. So this is how you open it right here. You press that. Boom. All right, let's not hit the Blazer. We will review this next. I want to. It's all retro modded. We just got done reviewing that. What's called Chevy Camaro. So go watch that. Link in the description below, or after this video. It could be. I have no clue. Check out one of my videos. Please do me a favor. Go subscribe, please. We're about to hit 7K subs. Hit the like button. I need y'all to follow me on Instagram, the real Alex Burkhardt. I'm trying to hit 500 followers. Please do. All right, let's get back into it. But here's storage space. You got the AMG right here, polished. Right here, which I think is nice. You got like this, whatever, leather, but it's like this. What's it called? I don't know what it's called. Handle. That's what I meant to say over there. But the storage space is really spacious. You can put your dog back here. You can put some groceries, luggage, some humans. You got a watt, or you could charge something right there. 115-volt battery, or 150 watts. You can pull this back. You can get more space. So you can kidnap someone. And also you have this right here. You got another plug. Huh. Okay. But overall, this car, pretty nice. Let's go show you the engine. The engine. So here's the engine. You got your oil. You got the AMG, the Mercedes, handcrafted by Patrick Osamtawoshi. afterbox. That's probably what I set it on the handle. AMG. Let's see if I can give you a good overview. Yeah, it's cool looking. There's nothing really special about it. Oil right here, over there. But honestly, I give it a good 8, 7. This G-Wagon's pretty cool looking than the other G-Wagons I've reviewed. Thank you, RPM Garage, for letting me review this G-Wagon. It's really cool. Please go check them out. Link in the description below. Even if you're not in the Texas, it's located in Dallas, Texas. Just look at their website. They sell really cool cars. They sell like this Nissan GTR, Audi R8, this awesome look, this Lexus. I'm about to go like do notes on a freaking Ford Model T custom hot rod, this Audi RS6, and like these two Camaro SS's. Please go check them out. They got a bunch of cars outside. If you live in the Dallas area and want to go to RPM Garage and buy a car, tell them that I sent you, Alex, from the Career Reviews. Thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn that notification bell. Have a blessed day.